Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to change the name of a contact in Telegram using your PC. By the end of this tutorial, you'll easily be able to personalize your contacts. Maybe you want to fix a typo, add a nickname, or just make your chat list a little more organized. Let's get right into it. First, go ahead and open Telegram Desktop on your computer. This is the official Telegram app for PC, so make sure you're not just using the web browser version since the steps might look a little different there. Just double-click the Telegram icon like you normally would and wait a second for everything to load up. Once you're inside Telegram, the next step is to find the specific contact whose name you want to change. You can do this by scrolling through your chat list on the left. If you have a lot of conversations, it might be faster to use the search bar at the top. Just type in their current name or username, and you should see their chat pop up right away. Don't worry if you haven't messaged them in a while. Telegram keeps all of your chats, so they'll be right there. Now open the chat with that person by clicking on it. Once their conversation is open, direct your attention to the very top of the chat window. You should see either their name or profile picture displayed prominently across the top. Click right on their name or photo. This is how you access their full profile details. After you click, a new panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Think of this panel as their digital contact card. Here you'll see their profile picture, their current name, and maybe even some extra details they've shared. Now look for the three dots, also known as the More Options button, or depending on which version of Telegram you're using, you might see a pencil icon for editing instead. Sometimes these icons are just above the contact's photo, sometimes they're over to the right. Give either of those a click. A small menu will pop up, and from here you want to select Edit Contact. This is the step that opens up the fields where you can actually make changes to their info, kind of like editing someone's entry in an address book. Now it's time to enter the new name. Just click into the name field, erase the old name, and type in whatever you want to call this person now. This could be their full name, a shortened version, or even a nickname that helps you remember who they are. For example, maybe you want to add work after their name to keep your contacts organized or correct a misspelled last name. Take your time here, it's your Telegram experience, so go with whatever makes the most sense for you. Once you've typed in the new name, look for the Done or Next button. It's usually in the lower part of the panel or the top right corner. Just keep an eye out. Click it, and your changes will be saved instantly. You'll notice that the chat now reflects the new name right at the top, and everywhere else in Telegram it'll update for you. And that's it, you've successfully renamed a contact in Telegram on your PC. Pretty straightforward, right? But these little tweaks can make a big difference in keeping your messaging app tidy and easy to navigate. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button, it really supports the channel. Got any questions, or did you run into something unexpected? Just drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you like easy, step-by-step tech tutorials like this one, make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.